Okay, we're going to do another find the error today. So remember, first you're going to find the error or mistake, and then you're going to fix the mistake. Okay, so my first one is going to be, how many times greater is 8,000? How many times greater is 8,000 than 8? Okay, there's my question. Gotta find my error now. Okay, so I'm gonna do how many times means times, and so I'm gonna do 8,000 times 8. I'm gonna box up my 8s. 8 times 8 is 64. I've got 3 zeros, so the answer is 64,000. So there's a mistake there. We need to find it. Okay. Are these two equations the same? Why or why not? Okay. 7,432 times 5. Is it the same as 7,000 plus 4,000? No, 400 plus 30 plus 2 times 5. Okay, so I'm gonna say no. They are not the same. No, they are not the same because they look different. Okay, so find my mistake there. And then one more. I'm going to move this up just a little bit, the third one. Now remember, you need to come to class with these done so we can talk about it. We're going to do 7,916 minus 5,025. Okay, so I'm just going to subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. So my answer is 2,911. All right, you've got 3 problems. You guys need to be the mathematicians here. Find the error, then fix the mistake. Fix what Miss Corbin did wrong.